everyone, if you're looking at your viewfinder up here and it's blurry and on the live view it's not, the thing you need to change is the adjust is there's a wheel here on the side here. Maybe among other cameras it might be on the left or the right. It is on the right hand side here. There's a wheel or a dial. It's called the diopter adjustment. What you can do right now is right here. If you see it's blurry. So if I adjust that, hopefully I can do it without. So I'm gonna turn the wheel. It's hard to see looking at the phone. You see how it adjusted? Look how blurry that is. Maybe too far. Let's see with my eye. Okay, if I look it up with my eye, it's focus. It's hard to see because of the glare, but that's focus. Actually, it's gonna be like this here. Same focus as that one there. Now it doesn't affect the lens itself. It's just the way you view it from your eyepiece. Okay, so you just need to adjust this part here, the dial over here, the diopter adjuster, and you should be able to see. You should be able to see the same thing. What you're seeing here should be the same as here. So, like I said, if this thing is blurry, you just adjust it right here. Right? I hope this helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just ask, and I'll probably make another video. Right? That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you guys. See you next time. Goodbye.